Are you trying to pick your next laptop? You've come to the right place! We're putting the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 head-to-head against the ASUS Vivobook S16. These are two of the best laptops of 2025, but they have some key differences. Watch until the end before you buy, and you'll know exactly which one is the winner. All the links for the latest prices and deals are in the description below. And please like the video, it helps me out a ton. The Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 and the ASUS Vivobook S16 both present a premium feel, though they achieve it with slightly different design philosophies. Samsung's offering features a sleek, all-metal chassis constructed from aluminum with a 16-inch form factor that's impressively thin at just 0.5 inches. This design language is consistent with Samsung's previous models, prioritizing a clean and modern aesthetic with silver or gray finishes. The Vivobook S16, in contrast, is even lighter at 3.3 lbs and features a metal chassis that is MIL STD810H certified, suggesting a focus on durability alongside its slim profile. It comes in more muted color options like mist blue and neutral black, with a matte surface that resists fingerprints, leaning into a professional rather than a flashy look. When it comes to ports, both laptops offer a practical selection for everyday users and professionals. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A 3.2, an HDMI 2.1a port, a microSD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is a solid mix that caters to a variety of needs, from connecting to external displays to using legacy peripherals. The ASUS Vivobook S16 is slightly more generous with its two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, along with an HDMI 2.1 port and a micro SD card reader. While one of the Vivobook's Thunderbolt ports is used for charging, its dual USB-A ports provide more flexibility for users who frequently rely on older accessories. Both laptops are also equipped with advanced wireless connectivity, with the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 featuring Wi-Fi 7 and the Vivobook S16 sporting Wi-Fi 6E. Both feature stunning 16-inch OLED displays, though with different resolutions. Samsung's display has a resolution of 2880 by 1800, while the ASUS ups the ante with a sharper 3.2K panel. Both screens boast a 120Hz refresh rate and are lauded for their vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. A key differentiator for the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is its touchscreen functionality and included S Pen, which offers low latency and pressure-sensitive input, making it a two-in-one device ideal for digital art and note-taking. The Vivobook S16, while not a convertible, delivers exceptional color accuracy and is Visa Display HDR True Black 600 certified, making it an outstanding choice for creative professionals focused on visual fidelity. In the realm of peripherals, there are noticeable differences in the keyboards, while the cameras and trackpads share some similarities. The keyboard on the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 includes a full number pad but is criticized for its shallow key travel, which can make long typing sessions less comfortable. In contrast, the Vivobook S16's chiclet keyboard also features a numpad but offers 1.5mm of key travel, providing a more tactile and precise typing experience. Both laptops feature large, smooth trackpads, but the Vivobook S16's is notably larger and provides traditional click feedback, whereas the Galaxy Book5 Pro lacks a haptic mechanism. For webcams, both devices are equipped with 1080p cameras and benefit from AI-powered Windows Studio effects. The Vivobook S16, however, includes an IR camera for Windows Hello facial recognition and a manual privacy shutter, features absent from the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360, which relies on a fingerprint reader for biometric logins. Battery life is another area where the two laptops diverge significantly. The Galaxy Book5 Pro, powered by Intel's Lunar Lake platform, is an endurance champion. With a 76 watt-hour battery, it achieves a remarkable nearly 24 hours in video playback tests and comfortably provides 15 to 18 hours of real-world use. This makes it a true all-day laptop that prioritizes efficiency. The ASUS Vivobook S16, while featuring a similar 75 watt-hour battery, provides respectable but more modest longevity, with around 9 hours in video playback and 8 hours in mixed usage. While its battery life is solid for a high-resolution OLED laptop, it does not reach the exceptional all-day endurance of the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. While both running on Intel's new processors exhibit different performance profiles, particularly in processor-intensive tasks. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V Lunar Lake processor, which features 8 cores and an NPU with a high TOPS rating. This setup is noted for its exceptional efficiency and strong single-threaded performance, resulting in a snappy and fluid experience for everyday tasks like web browsing and productivity apps. However, its multi-threaded performance, as shown by a Cinebench R20 score of 4355, falls behind that of AMD's Ryzen AI laptops with more cores. The Vivobook S16, powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H Meteor Lake, showcases a more balanced performance profile, with its Cinebench R23 multi-core score of 13828, indicating a stronger capability for multi-threaded workloads. This makes the Vivobook S16 more suited for users who might occasionally run CPU-heavy tasks. When it comes to editing and creative work, the distinction between the two laptops becomes more apparent. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360, with its stunning AMOLED touchscreen and included S Pen, is presented as an ideal tool for digital artists and photo editing. While it can handle FHD and 2K video projects smoothly, it is acknowledged that 4K editing is possible but will be slower. The Vivobook S16 also features a gorgeous OLED display that is excellent for photo editing and can handle light 4K video editing, but it's not designed for fast rendering or export times. Both laptops leverage their respective Intel NPUs to accelerate AI-powered creative tasks, such as background removal and noise reduction. For heavy, professional-grade workloads like multicam 4K editing or 3D rendering, both reviews suggest looking at laptops with more cores or discrete GPUs. In terms of gaming, both laptops rely on integrated Intel Arc graphics, which marks a significant improvement over previous generations. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360's Intel Arc 140V GPU shows impressive performance for its class, with a 3D Mark Time SPI score of 43409. It is capable of running popular esports titles at smooth frame rates on medium to high settings and can even handle some demanding AAA titles at lower settings. The Vivobook S16, with its integrated Intel Arc graphics, is also noted to be far more capable than older Intel Iris Xe solutions. It is suitable for playing light games at 1080p and can manage AAA games at reduced settings and resolutions. While neither is a dedicated gaming machine, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360's GPU performance benchmarks suggest it might have a slight edge in graphics-intensive tasks, making it one of the stronger integrated graphics options available. Alright, after all the tests and comparisons, we have a clear winner. If you need ultimate battery life, a 2-in-1 design, and the S Pen for creative work, the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 is the easy choice. But for better multi-threaded performance and a more comfortable keyboard at a much better value, the ASUS Vivobook S16 takes the crown. The Vivobook S16 is our winner.